Hey, what's up everyone? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to convert your 1.5 normal control center into 3D fluffy control center on your Galaxy device. So let's begin. Okay, look at this. This is normal control center. First, turn off all toggles and set brightness level like this and take screenshot of your control center. Now, simply turn on your internet. After turn on internet, simply download Gemini from Play Store and open Gemini. After open, simply select image and select this screenshot, control center screenshot from gallery. I select this control center screenshot. Now describe this image, convert this control center into 3D fluffy colorful control center and search. Now look at this. Gemini create this image and many times Gemini create different images. Then this time I provide all controls PNG images. Download link on description. Simply download all controls PNG images on description, and after download, simply go to Good Lock, go to Quick Star, turn on Quick Star, tap on Edit panel and tap on Button Box. Select Button Box like this. Now media player, select media player, select brightness, select volume. Now look at these. Now tap on buttons and select Wi-Fi. Select Bluetooth. Now guys, apply all buttons like these. Now look at this. I apply all buttons on control center. Now remember, simply disable border for more 3D effect. Now simply go back and guys, look at this. My normal control center completely convert into 3D fluffy control center. So guys, you also convert your 1.5 normal control center into 3D fluffy control center like this. And guys, this all toggles PNG images download link available on description. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.